Welcome back, guys! Today we are tackling recipe 81, green bean casserole. Now, you know the typical stuff in green bean casserole. You got your green beans, mushroom soup, milk, and French fried onions. Well, in today's recipe, we add bacon and hot sauce. And I'm really excited to see how those things add and make it the flavor change. Welcome back. So first thing I did was preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, I took 4 slices of bacon and tried to make them as crispy as I possibly could. I next got out a 9x13 baking sheet, poured in a whole bag of frozen green beans that had been cooked, and I added milk, which you do not see in this, so I apologize for that in advance. The next thing I add is a can of cream of mushroom soup. The bacon has been cooking this whole entire time. I'm just waiting for it to get super crispy. Next, I'm stirring all the ingredients together, and then I'm going to add my next ingredients, which include hot sauce, that bacon, and some pepper. Next, I'm crumbling up all the bacon that I had just made nice and crispy and adding it into the pan. Normally, you would add also some French fried onions. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough, so I added an extra piece of bacon, hoping it would balance it out. Doing my final stir through. Then I'm going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Guys, it looks so good. After 30 minutes, I'm going to add all the French fried onions on top and then bake it again for another 5. It's done! Let's try it out! You couldn't have green bean casserole without mashed potatoes and gravy and turkey, obviously. Might be a little bit early, but I don't really care. Oh, I gotta get a piece of bacon in there too, hold on. Oh, really hot. I'm gonna get hit by my husband by this because I'm gonna say I don't like the bacon. And the bacon takes away from it. But besides that, it's really good. I definitely needed more French onions. So we're gonna, again, rate it on how long it took us to make it, how easy it was to make it, and how good it was. It only took about an hour to make, so I'll give that about a 7 out of 10. And it was pretty easy. Again, I would get rid of the bacon and that's even easier, so I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. And then taste-wise, probably a 7 out of 10. So we're looking at a full score of 7 out of 10. Good job, green bean casserole! What? Okay, you're going to eat your French fries. So we're going to go eat dinner now. And I hope to see you guys next time when we make our next recipe. Bye!